Good morning everyone and welcome back to the Junior Shepherds YouTube channel. So a couple of things before we get into the video. Sorry for not uploading a video in a few weeks. It's just been mad here with lambing. But we're getting there now and we'll hopefully get back into a video a week. Also, it's a very cold day today outside and that's why these jackets are perfect for it. So we would just like to thank Betacraft for their sponsorship, giving us these jackets, really much appreciated. I would recommend checking them out. They're great jackets and really do keep you warm in a cold day like this. So today in this video we're going to be doing just some general farm work, just notching some lambs and putting a few out of pens maybe, and I got some sheep to feed and whatever, but I'll just take you along with me today and we'll do what needs done. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. That's us loaded up with feed now. Let's go and feed some sheep. That's these sheep fed onto the next ones now. Sheep all done. Let's go back to the farm and see what the next job is. The job that we're doing just now is moving barley across, so it comes out the big tower here and it goes through an auger system into there, down there, and then in there, and then it's got a pipe right across underground, and then it'll go in there to the feed mixer, which I'll show you in a minute. So as I just said there, it comes across here under the ground, and there's the pipe goes up there, and then if I take you down here, it goes out there into the mixer. So we then add some soya to the barley with lamb minerals in it to mineralise it. And show you Dad putting it in and out. Just pours it in the feed mixer obviously. I'll mix it all through the barley. There we are, done. So, barley across now, on to the next job. So, as you can see now, we're in the tractor, and the job we're going to be doing is putting out some slurry. Just going to put 3 or 4 loads out to ease the slats off a bit. See when we get to the field. Sorry, forgot to record a bit, so that's us, the 3 loads of slurry out, and we're now going to notch and ring some. So what we do is we notch the lamb so that when we go to put the tag in it, we know what tag number to put in it, and then and then we get a ring, which Dad, this one doesn't need a ring, but if it was a U one, we would get a rubber ring and just cut the circulation on its tail and it would go off and be shorter after that. So this is what I was talking about the rubber ring. Just put it on there and then
Ping.
ping.
And then that cuts the circulation in the wee bottom bit goes that. And the tails are where they need to be. So this is 38, this one. So 3 there, 5 there, 5 and 3 is 8. 3 on this lug is 30. 38.
So that's us done for another day. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you made it this far, make sure and hit that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so let's keep that going. And we'll see you for the next one. Bye.